Did you know that the weather actually changes your brain?
Wait, really? My brain?
Yeah, it literally changes how you feel. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I am Luna.
And I am Lucas. Wait, so does hot weather make me smart?
No. Well, maybe. But today we are talking about our favorite seasons.
Oh, seasons, like summer, winter, spring, fall.
Exactly. Or autumn. Fall and autumn are the exact same thing.
Wait, fall and autumn? Same?
Yeah, autumn is just like a fancy word for fall.
Oh, okay. I like the word fall because, leaves fall down.
Right. It is very simple to remember. So, Lucas, what is your favorite season?
My favorite? Oh, that is easy. Summer, 100%.
Really? Summer. But it is so hot.
I like hot weather. I like the sun. I can go to the beach.
No. The beach is just like a big sandbox.
A sandbox? What is wrong with a sandbox?
Sand gets everywhere, in your shoes, in your hair. It is terrible.
Okay, true. But wait, what is your favorite season then, Luna?
Spring. Spring is the absolute best, period.
Spring? Why? It rains so much.
Yes, it rains, but okay, think of it like this. Winter is like a long sleep, right? Very cold and dark.
Yeah, and spring, it is like drinking a big cup of coffee. Everything wakes up.
Oh, wow, like a coffee for the whole world.
Exactly. The flowers open, the trees get green again. It is beautiful.
But allergies? Achoo.
Okay, yes, you sneeze in spring. That is a small problem.
A big problem. I hate sneezing. My nose gets all red.
I know. But hey, learning English is actually like seasons too.
Wait, I don't get it. How is English like a season?
Well, sometimes it is hard. Like winter. You feel cold and stuck.
Oh, like when I try to learn English grammar.
Right. Grammar is totally winter.
Yes, grammar is very cold and dark.
But then you understand it. And that is spring. A beautiful new flower.
Oh, now I get it. That is a very good analogy.
Thank you. I just thought of it right now.
So smart. But wait, what about winter? Does anyone actually like winter?
Yes, some people love it. They like snow.
Snow is okay for like 1 day, max.
One day? No way. People love skiing, building snowmen.
But it takes too many clothes. You need a big coat, a hat, a warm scarf.
Gloves, thick boots. Yeah, it is a lot of clothes.
It takes me like 10 minutes just to go outside.
True. You look like a giant sad marshmallow.
Yes, a very sad marshmallow. That is why summer is way better. T-shirt, shorts, done.
Okay, but in summer, you sweat. You cannot take off your skin if you are too hot.
Jeez, that is gross, Luna.
But it is true. In winter, you can put on more clothes. In summer, you are just hot and angry.
I mean, I use a fan or air conditioning.
Ah, the AC. But that costs a lot of money to run all day.
Okay, you win that one. AC is very expensive.
So let's practice, guys. Listeners, we have a quick challenge for you.
Oh, a challenge. I love challenges. What is it?
I want you to think, what is your favorite season and why?
Just think about it in my head?
Think about it in English. Use simple words like, I like fall because it is cool.
Or, I like summer because the beach is a big sandbox.
Exactly. Use my weird sandbox example.
And tell us below. We really want to hear from you.
Yeah, tell us in the comments. Wait, Lucas, we forgot 2 seasons. We did? Oh, right, spring and winter. Right, winter is very cold. It has snow.
Brr, I do not like winter. It is too cold.
Too cold for Lucas.
Yes, I have to wear a big coat and a hat and a scarf. It takes wait, like 10 minutes just to get dressed.
A lot of clothes. It is like you are a big snowman.
Yes, a big angry snowman.
But winter has fun things, like skiing.
Skiing is hard. I always fall down.
Okay, no winter for you. What about spring?
Spring is okay, I guess.
Just okay? Spring is beautiful. Flowers grow, trees get green.
Right, but spring means rain. Lots and lots of rain.
True, but the rain helps the flowers grow. We say April showers bring May flowers.
April showers? Wait, I do not get it. Showers like in the bathroom?
No, not a bathroom shower. A shower is just a little rain.
Oh, now I get it. Little rain in April makes flowers in May.
Exactly. It is a very famous saying in English.
I like that. April showers bring May flowers. Very easy to remember.
See? Learning English is fun.
Yeah. Hey, Luna, what is a hard season word to say?
Ooh, good question. Maybe autumn.
Oh, yeah. A-U-T-U-M-N. The N is silent. Why?
English is crazy sometimes. You just say autumn. Do not say the N.
Autumn, autumn, autumn.
Perfect. Just like that.
Or just say fall. Fall is so much easier.
Yes, fall is easier. F-A-L-L. Very simple.
Good, because my brain is tired today.
Oh, poor Lucas.
I know. But wait, I have another question for the listeners.
Okay, hit me. What is it?
I want to know, what is your favorite weather?
Oh, weather and seasons go together.
Yes. Do you like sunny weather, rainy weather, snowy?
I like cloudy weather. It is nice for reading a book inside.
You are so boring, Luna. Sunny weather is the best.
Sunny weather makes me too hot. Remember the grumpy waiter?
Oh yeah, the hot grumpy waiter, summer.
We always come back to the grumpy waiter.
So, listeners, tell us your favorite season and your favorite weather.
Use simple sentences like, I like spring. I like rain.
Perfect. Very good practice.
And do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
Yeah, I make mistakes all the time. Literally every day.
Well, you are learning too.
True.
Okay, I think that is all for today's lesson.
Wait, we need to tell them the thing.
Oh, the thing. Yes, please subscribe.
Subscribe and like this video. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please follow English Pod Center.
English Pod Center is literally the best place to learn.
And share this with a friend who is learning English.
Yeah, ask your friend, what is your favorite season?
Exactly. Practice speaking together.
All right, Luna, I am going to buy a big coat now for winter.
Good luck, snowman. See you next time, everyone.
Bye, guys. Keep practicing.